everyone? Welcome back to another video of the Naked Brothers. Thank you so much for everyone subscribing. We just hit 4,000 subscribers this week. I appreciate your support, and just stay tuned for everything that we're gonna be doing to my new 2026 Yamaha Raptor R Special Edition. Today we have a very nice mod that we're gonna install today. We're also gonna do the unboxing, and basically that's gonna be the first mod that we're gonna put to the Raptor. The first mod that we're gonna do to the Raptor, they are going to be the new NICECNC spacers. Like I said, we're gonna do the unboxing, installation, and let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so this is what you're gonna get in the box. We got the beautiful red spacers from NICECNC. You got some stickers and the hardware. I didn't see any installation instructions, but we're not gonna need that. And if you're watching this, I'm gonna guide you how to install them. Alrighty guys, so the one that we're gonna install first, they're gonna be the ones in the front. And basically the ones that they're bigger than the other two, that's the one that you're gonna install in the front. Let's go. Now that we have all the spacers out, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna put the bolt in here, in every single one. Alrighty guys, so now that we have the spacers ready, yeah man, let's go ahead. I just used for these bolts number 8, so that's what you're gonna need. Let's go. Alrighty fam, so the NICECNC spaces are on. My first thoughts, man, if you have a 2026 special edition like I do and you wanna match it with the red, they match pretty well. We'll say very close. And these spacers are gonna give you 1.97 inches more, so enough, I will say. And yeah, dude, I just gotta have my wife to help me out to hold the brake, and that way I can tie them up the front. And yeah, let's put the tires back, that way you guys can see how they're gonna look. Let's go. Alrighty guys, my work here is done. Look at those spacers, man. Again, 1.97 inches more. This is gonna be the difference. I put the blue tape in the middle of the tires, so as you can see the difference. Guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any questions about the installation of the NICECNC spacers, just let me know, leave your comment, and I'll get back to you, of course. And if you would like to see them or get them from NICECNC, I'm just gonna leave the link below on the description. And just stay tuned. That box that I have in the back, that's another mod that we're gonna do. Like I said, just stay tuned, subscribe, and peace out.